how to get TikTok back after deleting the app. First, all you need to do is download a VPN to change your virtual location. After testing multiple services, we found that NordVPN works best in this case. Once you have the VPN app, connect to a server in a country like Canada where TikTok is available. If you're using an iPhone, the easiest method of how to download TikTok after the ban is creating a new Apple ID. First, make sure NordVPN is connected to your chosen country. Then go to your iPhone settings, tap your name at the top, and sign out. Back in settings, tap sign into your iPhone and choose to create a free Apple ID for verification. You can use any phone number, even your US one. You'll get both a text and an email with different verification codes. So enter them when prompt. When asked for your region, select the country to which your VPN is connected to, like Canada. You know how to use TikTok after the ban. Just go to the App Store and re-download the app. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.